Welcome to Module 2. This happens to be week 2 of the course as well, but this week is Module 1, which is actually getting us into the course content. You will be looking at an introduction to management this week and next week. This module will be 2 weeks long. Your homework for this module will all be due by September 8th. So you have 2 weeks to complete the work assigned in this module. You will be looking at the definition of management and how that compares to leadership. You'll be looking at the past and how we have changed how we manage people over time, and looking at some theories that go along with how people work or respond to management styles. That's going to be this module, Module 1, that you're going to work on. And inside this module, you'll have 2 chapters. You'll have Chapter 1 and you'll have Chapter 2. This goes right along with your syllabus, so if you look at your modules and assessments section inside your syllabus, I'm just kind of bringing to you what you need to be thinking about this week. So you will be looking at Chapter 1 and doing some homework on that in Applia, which is the Cengage website, and you'll also be looking at Chapter 2. Within that, you're also going to have a discussion board that you're going to need to interact with, and the sooner you get in there, the better. The deadlines for this course are loosely stated, but I would like to see your initial post in Blackboard by Wednesday of this week, and then you have about a week to respond to 2 other students in the discussion board. You're also going to go out and look at an observation. Find somewhere that you would like to observe and watch how people work. Now, when you do this, please be mindful that you might need to mention that you're doing an assignment so that you don't look kind of strange sitting in a restaurant or somewhere taking notes as you watch people. So you might need to give them an alert that you're doing an assignment. You need to go sit down, spend 15 to 20 minutes just observing what's going on, how people are interacting. Are they working in an efficient manner, or is maybe the waitress making 5 trips back and forth because she only brings 1 item at a time? So we're looking at things like that and the hierarchy that might exist. And then you're going to go and leave that area and write down what you saw. And the most important part of this assignment is to attach theory from Chapter 2 to what you saw. So did you see some instances of a bureaucratic management style, a humanistic management style? Were there levels of hierarchy in the organization that were visible by how the employees were dressed, such as like McDonald's? You can tell who the manager is. So be thinking about all of those types of thoughts as you apply theory to what you saw. That is the most critical part of the assignment, so make sure you do that and do it very well and use multiple theories, not just one. Finally, you're going to take a quiz, and that quiz will cover both Module 1 and Module 2 assignments or content, and that is inside Blackboard. So you do have quite a bit to do this week and next week. Please make sure that you are managing your time and not waiting until September 8th to start working on this class. Active engagement in this class is expected for an online learning environment, and failure to be active in the class every week does result in missed classes, which can result in being dropped from the class. So I just want you to be aware of that. If you're having any trouble with getting into the course in your ebook or the MindTap homework, please let me know. Otherwise, I will be watching and engaging with you online. Thanks.